Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making ingredients list. So you need sorrel, water, cinnamon, cloves, and sugar. You'd want to wash the sorrel and remove the petals. Put water, cinnamon, and cloves in a pot and bring to a boil. Then you would add the sorrel petals, cover, and boil for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave for a few hours or overnight. Then you would strain and bottle and of course keep refrigerated. When ready to serve, you would sweeten to taste with sugar.